Let me show you how you can embed anything in ZipMessage into your own website on your own domain. So there are 3 different things in ZipMessage that can be embedded. You can embed an entire conversation so that your visitors can scroll through it and even post their replies into the conversation, all from your website. Or you can embed a single message from a conversation, so you can show a video player or anything else in that message on your site. And you can embed your intake pages. And an intake page, of course, is the page that you can share with anyone where they can send you a message and start a new async conversation. So all of that can happen from within your own website on your own domain. So let me show you how you can set that up. Now for this demo, I used one of my other websites. It happens to be powered by WordPress, but you can do this with any website where you can edit the HTML. And I've got a very basic page here. So for this first example, this page template has some padding on it, and it has a gray background, just to make it easier to see what's going on. So we'll start by embedding a full conversation. I'm going to go into that conversation now and click Share. Then I'll go to Embed, and we have the option to enable people to reply when they view the conversation or not. So yeah, let's enable those replies, and I'll highlight the code, then copy it to my clipboard, and I'll head over to my other website, and I've added an HTML block. So I'm going to replace the text that's there and just paste in the code and update. And when I refresh the page, there is our ZipMessage conversation. It's all embedded within my own website. We can play those messages, and our visitors can even post their own reply. They can record and send and everything all within my own website here. Pretty cool. And we've set up the iframe to be flexible so that even if your page is, let's say, full width, I'm going to change to my full width page layout here, and I'll refresh the page. Now it actually takes up the entire browser screen. So it actually looks like it's all my own website, but really it's actually powered by ZipMessage. Okay, so now let's try embedding just a single message from this conversation in the website. So you can go to any message and click Embed Message. And here you'll have an embed code that's specific to this message. Now here we give you the option to either show the name of the author above the message or not. You can have it just be the video player or show the name and the timestamp. So I'm going to keep that in, and I'm going to copy that code, and we'll head back over to my website. I'm going to change my content to be just that iframe, and I will update. Let's refresh. And there is our message. We can play it right here from within my own website. Pretty cool. And again, I have the option to hide the name and the timestamp above the message. Okay, lastly, let's embed an intake page. So this is great for like a customer support portal or a private membership area where your members can submit new messages. Now I have an intake page that's for customer support, and it looks like this. That's where folks can submit a support request through ZipMessage. And in the settings for that page, we have this embed code, and we give you the option to either show or hide the headline above the intake page form. Of course, you can also display a message template like a welcome video too. But I'm just going to grab this embed code, I'll copy it, and I'll go back to my website, and I'll drop that into the HTML, and I'll update. And so there is the intake page where anyone can record right within my own website. And just to show you again, if we have a full width layout, I can change to that layout so that it actually appears like it's taking up the full screen of the web browser, just like that. So this is ZipMessage functionality living on my own website, on my own domain.